What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to bleed your brakes on your non-ABS Yamaha FZ6. Your service manual will recommend doing this every 2 years because brake fluid can absorb moisture from the air, and also it can have air pockets in it that lead to a soft, squishy brake feel, which is kind of terrifying when you jam on the brakes. So let's get into it. The easiest way to check the condition of your brake fluid on a motorcycle is to check in the rear master cylinder reservoir. Brake fluid should be a clear yellow color, almost like pee, and dirty brake fluid goes brown or black because it picks up particulates and absorbs things in the atmosphere. To bleed the brakes, you'll need some .4 brake fluid, a can to catch the old fluid, an 8mm wrench, and a length of 3/16 hose. So with the seat off and the side fairing off to just get easier access to the reservoir here, we're now ready to start bleeding. On the rear brake, and like most brakes, the process goes like this. You're going to apply pressure to the brake. You're going to crack this wrench and the bleeder screw to let fluid flow out. You're going to keep pressing down on the brake lever, or what's compressing and pushing brake fluid out, until you close it, at which point then you can lift and repeat the process. So it's pressure, crack, let it bleed out, close it, then lift. If you lift the brake or you release the pressure on the brake before you close it, you will suck in air from the line coming the other direction, which is what you don't want. Pressure, crack, close, lift, refill. The front brakes are largely the same. The only difference is that you have two calipers with one master cylinder. You want to start off by bleeding the right side caliper first, or the side that's on your brake side, because it's furthest from the master cylinder. The hydraulic line on this FZ6 comes off the master cylinder, comes down to the left side, and it has another line that feeds over to the right. So therefore the right side is furthest from the master cylinder in like hose length. So you want to start bleeding here, and once this is all bled and you're happy with that, move over, do a bleed on the other side. Make sure while you're doing the bleeding process you've got enough fluid in your reservoir. Also, be very careful when you're bleeding the front brakes because your master reservoir is right at the top of the bike above all your plastics. So you want to lay down lots of paper towel to make sure any brake fluid drops get caught, because brake fluid is very caustic. It'll eat away at plastic or paint or anything of the sorts. As always, thanks for watching. Smash the like button down below. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more FZ6 content. Have a good day.